let me introduce on how we integrate cloud storage like Amazon S3 with SAP S4HANA systems or R3 ECC6 systems via our product Aquilink. So our product is certified by SAP for this type of integration, and as you see, we handle as well ECM systems as cloud storage, and I have some examples on how we do that. And you can always decide in which of these systems you want to store your content, so documents or data, like data archive information from SAP can be, for example, stored to the cloud storage and non-changeable documents, as well as you can store living content that you might reuse in a later process in the ECM systems, like the hybrid Naxeo system. But again, today I want to focus here on the Amazon S3 integration. On the SAP side, I have chosen a business object. This is an invoice. And for nearly all business objects in SAP, we have the so-called services for object up here. So in this case, we want to start the services for object, and we have to, or we can use here the attachment list to check if there's anything attached to this business object. There's nothing attached. So let's start and attach a new business document. First of all, we can select here our document type. In this case, we have to select a document type that points to the Amazon S3 bucket. You see, I can also have different type of documents to point to different areas in S3, for example, to a warm storage on the S3 side. As we have highlighted the correct document type, now we can simply drag and drop a document to our front end, to our SAP front end. So we can type in some description, and the document has been saved from my desktop to, or via SAP, to the S3 storage of Amazon Web Services. So having stored the document, we can of course also display the document, which is again done completely with the standard tools of SAP. So no need to install anything on the front end other than the SAP GUI. And technology-wise, we also use only the standard technology on the SAP side. So that's why we can use also some additional options like adding a note in SAP. This note is also stored to the S3 storage. On the Amazon Web Services side, for the S3 storage, we see that we can have different kind of buckets that we can access from SAP. And I stored the documents here in this folder without warm, and we find our file here where you see the data file that we stored, actually the PDF as well as the note that we added. When we have a look to the PDF file, you also have the chance to display this PDF right from here from the storage, and you see it's the same document that we stored from SAP. So typically you do not display documents out of the S3 storage. I just want to highlight that the documents are really stored to the S3 environment, and that you typically have SAP as a leading system when you talk about the cloud storage connection via Aquilink to the S4HANA or R3 ECC6 system.